welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be having the ultimate fall vlog. Autumn is one of my favorite seasons of the year and I am so excited because that means everything pumpkin spice, fall baking, the new Starbucks menu, all the fun collections that each brand brings out. I'm so excited to be filming this video. I really hope you guys enjoy watching today's video, and without the way, let's get into the video. This morning I have gotten ready. I'm wearing my full sweater. This is from Zara, and then all my jewelry I'm wearing is actually from Anna Louisa. Today is the 31st of August and it is 10:39. As I am a Starbucks Awards member, I get to access the Starbucks menu 7 days earlier than everybody else in the UK. So if you are a member, you guys actually can purchase like a pumpkin spice latte through the app. So excited to be going to town today. There's a lot of exciting things going on. We're going to be getting the first pumpkin spice latte of the season and also going to Lush for their Halloween collection that is out today. Popped into the store yesterday and the employees told me that they were putting it all out last night and today is the day that it is in store. So I thought it's good to get there bright and early. Let's go get the bus because the bus comes every 10 minutes on weekdays and today's a Thursday.
It's getting too loud in here. It's time to get out. I'm reading you loud and clear though.
Here is our Halloween platter. So we will start with my favourite product, our octopus. So this is a shower jelly. So it's made of carrageenan and glycerin, which are super soothing and moisturising ingredients.
Yeah.
Get it nice and wet, dump it in.
Like that?
Yeah, just chuck it in and then pick him back up and then literally just rub him on your hands like this.
Wow, it's so slimy.
I know, he's amazing, isn't he?
Yeah, very pretty.
So he can literally be used as a shower gel.
Yeah.
Rub him together, you can rub him up your arms.
It smells great.
It smells, it's got passion fruit infusion in there. That's what that gorgeous smell is. Hello world. Next one that I thought we could try is our pumpkin slime. So very slimy as you can see. Lovely cornstarch in there, some glycerin, it's got grapefruit oil, giving it that lovely consistency but also that lovely smell.
It smells so good. Like
It is
pumpkin, it's great.
Literally, it's amazing.
I'm really impressed so far. I've already like 2 products in.
No, I know, the Halloween stuff is my favourite range. So excited for it all year.
Really?
All year. So when are we finding out what we're getting? When are we getting it? When are we getting it?
I was looking up in June trying to find spoilers.
Yeah.
So I was just so excited.
Yeah, no, it's amazing. Toil and Trouble body scrub.
Oh wow.
So it's got some lovely lavender in there, it's got some sea salt, it's going to be really softening on the skin, also really, really relaxing.
It smells like snow fairy a little bit.
Yeah, why don't we move on to lip scrubs. Candy corn here, you can even see in the lighting, but you literally just...
Is it tingly or not really?
No, so it's got that lovely castor sugar in there, which is going to be really exfoliating. Do you want to give it a try? So you can literally just pop it on your lips, and then literally you just lick it off.
Are you serious?
It tastes pretty good, doesn't it?
This is new, I'm guessing, isn't it? The edible?
We've had lip scrubs out for a really long time, and they've always been edible.
Oh really?
But these are our new Halloween ones. Lord of Misrule shower gel. Have you had Lord of Misrule before?
I've never been in the UK during Halloween, so I've never been able to try Lush.
Oh my gosh.
Halloween.
Well, this is Lush's Halloween bestseller. But give that a smell. What do you think of Lord of Misrule?
It reminds me of something. It's really good though.
It is good. We have this in a perfume, a massage bar, a soap, obviously a shower gel. We have a body spray, a bath bomb, and a bubble bar.
Something for everything, I guess?
Yeah, pretty much every range has some sort of Lord of Misrule in there. Mr. Pumpkin face mask. So this one has pumpkin puree, it's got pumpkin seed butter, pumpkin seeds in there. Naturally it has vitamin C, so it's going to really help like brighten the skin, and it smells insane.
That's really good.
It's really good, isn't it? And to pair with that, we have pumpkin eye pads. So you literally just pop these on your eyes when you're having your face mask, and it's amazing. My absolute favourite, Ghost in the Dark, is some lovely lemongrass in there, which gives it a really nice citrusy smell.
Nice.
It's gonna glow.
It's actually?
Yeah, it for real glows. I've already bought one.
Have you actually?
I've already bought one. So it's just a lovely soap. You can use it as a hand soap or like full body soap. Massive.
That's so good.
So it has like the little skull in there. So it's got that same fluorescent ingredients in that our Ghost in the Dark does. Another piece has a little ghost. So you can literally choose kind of what character you want. If you want a full character. I mean, look how chunky this is.
Pretty impressive.
So good. Lord of Misrule.
I quite like this one.
Now should we go to that?
Okay, let's go to the back.
Let's go. He also glows in the dark. Lord of Misrule Bubble Bar. Bonehead.
Wow. They're pretty cute, aren't they?
They are so cute. We've got my personal favourite, pumpkin crumble. So it's got that lovely softening butter in there as well. So going to be lovely on the skin. A more citrusy, uplifting alien. So this can be used in the bath or as a candle melt.
Okay.
So you literally just take off a square or two, pop it in the water, and it's got loads of cocoa butter in there, so it's going to be super softening on your skin. Scent again.
I love pumpkin spice so much. My absolute weakness.
That ghosty.
Ghost.
Screaming Banshee. This one's got lovely popping candy in there. And yet another Lord of Misrule product.
Bath one. Always wanted to try this one.
Yeah, it's amazing. Magic potion. Bath art. It's a little bit dark, so for all those Black Rose fans, Jason's mummy. So these eyes actually light up in the dark as well.
Oh my
Halloween
gosh.
is very glow in the dark this year.
We love that.
Absolutely love it. Who needs candles or electricity
Well, we've got
when you
glow in
have
the dark
bath bombs?
bombs.
Screamo.
Okay, this is so cool.
I'm waiting tonight.
As we are doing the ultimate fall vlog, I feel like it is completely compulsory to do a huge decorations haul and show you guys everything that I've bought over the past few months for fall. Also, I have decided to decorate early this year. It is literally like the last 2 days of August, so I can fully embrace and enjoy the fall season this year, because I don't know about you guys, November and October, I'm always really confused whether I should be decorating for Christmas or not. So I'm allowing August, September and October to Halloween and fall this year. I have this little doorstop, and in my new house I've got quite swingy doors, so I bought this pumpkin doorstop from Next Home, and it's just a weight for my door and it's adorable. It's literally a little pumpkin, and I think this is so cute and so autumnal, and I'm just so obsessed. All the caramel, pumpkin swirls, spiced kind of scents. So I also have the caramel pumpkin swirl Bath & Body Works candle that I bought back in June from the Bath & Body Works sale in Dubai. It smells so delicious. I love everything pumpkin spice this time of the year. I'll be linking it down below. This is actually from TK Maxx, and this is so soft, so cute. It's got pumpkins and those are just autumn leaves on it. I posted on my Instagram stories and TikTok about me going to Primark, and their range this year is amazing. Also, this is my first year getting to embrace the fall season, as England and Wales has so much to offer here. You can really identify the seasons. Let's do a little haul. The first thing I bought was actually this little orange crate to put like my hair accessories in. Right now I have this kind of plastic thing for hair accessories, but this is so cute. Perfect little size, only £1.50. Bought this more for the decoration purpose, but the candle itself smells just as good. This has been all over TikTok, my For You page, and in store it was even more gorgeous. It smells very cinnamony, very pumpkin flavored, not as much spice, but very yummy. The last thing I bought was actually for my bed, and this is a Primark home cushion. It's gorgeous. I think it's gonna go perfectly with my throw. I think it's so cute. Those are all the little autumnal pieces that I have to pop in my room this year, and I really wanted to include this in this fall vlog. I know you guys are here for the fall vibes, and I think all these colors are screaming that for me. Now let's decorate. I'm too excited. We've got to get the autumn vibes flowing in this room.
Are turning brown, red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down.
Right now I just had a very fun everything shower. I used the new bar of soap that I bought today from Lush. Also, I've literally been waiting months to light this candle, so I've kind of set the whole vibe off in here. Tonight I'm thinking about making like apple crumble, and I've actually found this really nice healthy recipe. I bought like substitutes ingredients in the recipe, and it's not that bad for you in comparison to normal apple crumble that could be like filled with so much sugar and stuff. So for example, this recipe is purely made from non-dairy butter, cinnamon, brown sugar and apples. It tastes amazing. I don't have any vanilla ice cream, but it's still delicious, and I've got my little pumpkin cup I'm gonna use. So I feel like it'd be really fun to make and do a bit of baking in this video, because what is an ultimate fall vlog without some baking? This outfit is honestly slaying. I'm obsessed with this robe, and we've got all the full decor in here. We have all the full vibes, and I'm so here for it. I'm gonna chill for a bit, then we're gonna go do some baking, and I'm super excited.
Autumn comes too soon.